Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you off your active on status on Instagram. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the bottom right corner your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. After clicking it, you can see in the top right three dash icon. Click on the three dash icon. After clicking it, you can see the first option, settings. Click on settings. After clicking settings, you can see the third option, privacy. Click on it. After clicking privacy, you can see the second last option, activity status. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see the show activity status blue icon on. You need to click it in order to off it. By clicking it off, nobody is going to see you active anymore. So guys, this is how can you off active on status on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.